Let's be real, most of you guys, willing kayong gumastos para sa birthday ng ibang tao, para sa birthday ng mahal mo sa buhay. Willing kang gumastos, mag-effort, maglaan ng time para sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. Minsan nga kahit para sa kaibigan mo, you will go beyond. Gagawa ka talaga ng paraan para maiparamdam sa friend mo na deserve niya ng magandang regalo, na deserve niya ng magandang celebration. But the thing is, you are not doing that for you. This is you giving gifts to yourself. This is you healing your inner child na yung mga bagay na hindi mo nakuha nung bata ka. Yung mga bagay na gustong-gusto mo dati pero hindi mo mabili kasi wala kang pang pera. Maybe you were helpless. Maybe you can't afford it, but now, maybe you can afford it. Or maybe you can work hard to afford it. So this can be the things. And I respect you. There's no standard in what you want. It's all up to you. Kanya-kanyang trip tayo. Kung mahilig ka sa Crocs, bahala ka. Ako, I hate Crocs. But again, it's all up to you. It's all about acknowledging what you want for yourself, okay?